today I'm going to be showing lots of tricks I can do on these like couches. So let's get started. So first trick, I'm gonna jump over lots of like these cushions. There's like one out of the camera, can't see. But I'm gonna be jumping over 3 of these nugget couches with the gaps. The first one is pretty easy, so let's get started. No, I'm gonna get it up. Now there's the second cushion. Let's get started. So that was pretty easy. So now for the third one. The third and final one, is gonna really be just like close to the next. Let's start it. I'm gonna go back to this one. Well, I almost tried that one again. Failed. That one is really weird. Like, I think I need to make the gap a little smaller. So I think this is good. Let's go. Okay, one more try. This one I recommend you do this. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I had lots of trouble doing it the first way. So my dad showed me another way how to do it. He said I needed like a right next time, so I got a really big one. Let's go try it out. Well, that was close. I know I can do it. I need to just push this. Yeah, that shouldn't count. Okay, so the next trick, I'm gonna build it. I just need this pink one on top of the orange one to like jump really high to do this one. So this trick is gonna be a really good. So guys, do you know how like lots of like so you know like lots of like the superheroes, like when they jump they just like land like rolling like this. I'm gonna try that. Let's go. Complete. Now the next trick.
Okay. Line them up on the side.
I'm gonna be using this one. This one is the hardest trick I'm holding. It's really hard, but can't believe I'm doing it. This trick is a surprise trick. But let's go and do this. So next trick. I'm nervous about this one, but let's do it. So I did it. The last trick was doing front flip over all of these. Wait, I remember what my sister likes to do with these. I'm going to show you what she does. She likes to do lots of somersaults. Let's get somersaulting. And also, she likes to do cartwheels. I can't do cartwheels about it.
But you can try.
Yeah. This is the best I can do it. Wait, wow. See, really bad. That was good. Let's go. So, I'm gonna be trying to jump over all of these cushions. I probably can't do it. It's way too hard to jump over this like that. I'm doing this in my new piece. Actually, I'm gonna choose. This might be actually better because I think the camera would see me here. Let's go!
What?
I'm gonna use my rocket booster to help me with this. My rocket. My rocket. Well, the rocket got destroyed, so let's go do the next trick. So the next trick is, I'm gonna drop the camera. You see this head here? I'm gonna be jumping over it. So let's get to do this. First I'm gonna show you how my sister does it. She's really nice and she's funny. So let's go. She does it. So I can show how my sister does it. My babysitter's sister, she's gonna be mad, like sees it's broken. But this one, she's like runs to get a head start, and she's like, wee, but like her legs bump into her, and she's like, ah, she falls down again. Here's my jump over. Oh, this is, I don't know if I can do this. I might like try this lots of times, but this is gonna be hard. Oh, I got it! So, the next challenge is I need to jump over plus this cushion. Well, I think I can get this one because it's not really that far away from that one. But I think I might get this first try. Let's go! Wait! Oh, I got it. Let's go try the second cushion. So,
That's gonna be long.
yeah. Well, let me see this. Well, I'm gonna land over there. Like here somewhere. Let's just test and see how much I make. This is not bad before running head start. So I hope I do this. What? Did I?
Yeah.
Let's do. Now it's time for the final cushion. This is the final trick. It's the hardest one I need to do. I'm like so much nervous right now. I'm super nervous. Let's go. Let's do this. Oh no, I'm scared. Let's go. Let's go try again. This may be too hard. I think I need a really big running head start over there. So you don't have to watch me. You can like watch me. So it's like I'm over there. I need it. 3, 2, 1. Oh, let me try that running head start again. It's actually really hard. Don't only try this at home with the nugget couches. Because like, if you jump like with something fragile, you might like fall and then like hurt yourself. So like, try with a soft landing like I did. So let's do this. 3, 2, 1, go. Well, pretend I didn't destroy this. Yes, I said I couldn't. So pretend I didn't do it. So this is really hard. I'm even smaller. So I think I can do this one. But I think it might be easier. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh no! I tipped it over like this. I can get a super head start. Let's go. I'm gonna do like this side, and then I'm gonna run it. Okay, this is for the end of the video. This is impossible, but I can't give up. I still have to do it. This is the last try until like I fix this a little bit. It's like I think I might need like a bigger running head start. So like I might like if I like not get this one, I might like pause the video and like make an easier one to jump over, like an easier way. Let's get to it. Wait. Oh, I think I need to try this one more time. I was super close. I might do this. I was like this little. See? Well, I think I only need bigger speed and like more speed. I can't jump any farther. Well, that was close. So I'm gonna like make a better idea. I think I'm gonna need to make a bigger running head start. So first, I just need to so I'm gonna do this, and then I need to use another head start. So let's get to it. That was a little like she was like I have found one in my room. My sister was like scared. Let's get to it. This is never give up. But get this. We need to. We have to. So my dad gave me a really good idea to do this. Normally jump. Like I think I can do this because he's in this floor. So let's get to it. So I'm also gonna have another video coming on like not maybe like tomorrow, like close to tomorrow, like more than tomorrow, like other days. 3, 2. I think I might need to. So I'm gonna be using this for the head start. It's okay if I have a rough landing because my knees are like really strong. So let's try this. So like the trick was like kind of too hard. I can't do it, but like for the last trick, I'm gonna be like doing another the same one. So I think I kind of want to do the back, the front flip. So I had a huge lesson here. This is really hard. Whenever I can't really do it because like the video can't be like that too long. It can't be like the really long video, so like I couldn't like finish it. So and yeah, last part. Now I'm gonna have fun with this. Wee. So and then to the other side so the camera can see. Wee. And then you go that way. So move this back. So let's do it. Okay, let's do it here.